Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we divide both sides by t squared. Next, we have u and first derivative of u. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that the positive next to 3 over t. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one goal here. So the integration of this one, we have 3f and t. Later that we put number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have t to the power of 3. So we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 3t squared. This one we have sine t. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have t to the power of 3u. The integration of sine t, that is about negative cosine t. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.